Good morning student. Today I am going to complete your exercise question of Dorothy in the Land of the Munchkin. Student, you know this is a novel and it is adapted into the wizard adapted from the wonderful Wizard of the Oz by L. Frank Baum. Student, in this story we saw that how Dorothy came into the land of Munchkin and how she met to the imaginary persons, means related with witches and wizards, and also which is helpful to her, means she want to, when she met to the witches, then she want to come her home, but she was unable to come to her home, or she was unable to return her home. Then witches also suggest to her how she met to the great Wizard of Oz, and only Wizard of Oz is one person for helpful to her to return her home. And we also discuss about this story in online class. Then after that you come on your exercise question. But before the starting of your question, you open your book and see on page number 75. See, your question is from overview, complete each of these statements given below, choosing one of the given options. The first question is, the story you have just read is a true story, a story based on a historical character, an imaginative tale set in a strange land of witches, wizards and magical spells. Our story with a moral lesson. Then answer is an imaginative tale set in a strange land of witches, wizards and magical spells. Now come on number B. Dorothy is a little girl, a witch, a wizard, a tourist. According to our story, Dorothy is a little girl. Now your option A is right. After that, come on, say whether the following statements are true or false. Dorothy found herself in a beautiful but strange land. It is true. The people Dorothy met threatened to harm her. False. And question number second, see, Dorothy was given instruction to travel to another city. It is true. After that, you come on page number 76 and see, from read and answer question number 1, 2, 3 we have already finished in our online class. Then now come on question number 4. It is now you write in your copy. Student, everyone open your copy and write question number 4, but in your copy write question number 1. Then see, question number 1 is, the little old woman took the slate from her nose and having read the words on it asked, is your name Dorothy, my dear? Yes, answered the child, looking up and drying her tears. Then you must go to the city of emeralds. Then question is, where was the city of emeralds located? Answer is, the city of emeralds was located in the center of the country. Come on question number B. Who would Dorothy have to meet there? What was Dorothy told about him? Answer is here, Dorothy would have to meet Oz, the great wizard. She was told that. Who is she here? She is witch, means witches. She informed to Dorothy. She was told that Oz was the ruler of the city of emeralds and he was a gentle wizard. After that we come on number C, means question number 4C. Why did Dorothy need to meet this person? Then answer is, which of the North informed to Dorothy that Oz was the only one person who could help Dorothy to get back to her home in Kansas. Your answer is clear. Dorothy wanted to meet Oz, the great wizard, to back to her home. After that, come on question number 4D, but according to your copy, first D. How Dorothy go to this place? Would her journey be easy? Then answer is, the witch of the north told her about that only way to get the city of emeralds by walking, but this journey would not be an easy one. She was also informed that some parts of the road will be pleasant and there will be many dark and terrible areas to cross. After that, students, you come on your next question. Now you see, first E is here, how would Dorothy be protected from harm during her journey? Then answer is, the witch of the north landed a kiss on Dorothy's forehead that soon acquired around shiny path, it would protect Dorothy from harm on her journey. Then now come on page number 7 27. Student, see your question number, think and answer. Think and answer, it is not necessary, but you complete it in your copy. But you write in your copy question number 2. Question number 2A is, listen carefully, question number 2A is, question number 2 from think and answer on page number 77. See, what words and expressions does the author use to suggest that Dorothy was extremely surprised at what she saw when she opened the door of her house? Then your answer is, Dorothy cried in amazement when she opened the door of her house. Her eyes grew wider at the wonderful sights at beheld. Student, for next question, question number B is, Dorothy listened to this speech with wonder. Why was Dorothy filled with wonder at the speech of the old woman? What do you learn about Dorothy's character here? Then your answer is, Dorothy noticed everything with her opened eyes. Listen again, your answer of second B is, answer is Dorothy noticed everything with her opened eyes at the strange and beautiful sight. She was near to her death experience when the old woman thanked her for killing the wicked witch. While Dorothy failed to understand why the old woman said like that, this shows that Dorothy was of a calm disposition. After that, student, come on your next question from think and answer, question number 2. But according to your copy, this one is question number 3. See, what according to the old woman is the difference between a civilized and uncivilized country? How do you, as a citizen of 21st century, describe a civilized country? Answer is here, according to the old woman, a civilized country is one in which there are no more witches, sorceresses, or magicians left. But in the 21st century, a civilized country was developed by governance and emotionally independent, and all humans enjoy equal rights, according to old woman. After that, student, you come on question number 3. But in your copy, this one is question number 4. Question is, why did Dorothy begin to weep? How did the Munchkins react to this? What does this tell us about their nature? Answer is, Dorothy began to weep when Munchkins told that there is no way that she could return to her home. Seeing her sob, the Munchkins also began to cry. And this tells us about their kind behavior for others. Student, you complete the exercise question of Dorothy in the Land of Munchkins in neat and clean writing. Thank you everyone.